in response, hi, I'm Kim Passable, in response to the resounding success of my last video repairing the gutter on my house, I thought I needed to clear some things up because some people seem to think I'm not being safe. And first of all, I'm not dead yet, so clearly, I've used some safety. And then, see, this is the stairs in my house. Look, I've got the rope. It's tied to this railing and the bottom railing. There's like no way that's coming off. Let me tell you, because I've fallen on the steps and grabbed onto that railing and it is, well, it didn't stop me, but that's just because I couldn't hold on hard enough. And then look, it goes straight out the window. Straight out the window. Out the window where it's safe. Where it's safe, okay? And, so that end of the gutter is now coming this way, okay, but this end of the gutter does like a loop up in the air before the spout. And so it rained the other night, and that whole freaking gutter filled, like all but like the last foot of the gutter filled up. I wanted to scream. I was so mad. I took a depression nap. I was like, what the hell? This is not right. No. And I thought, I'm not going back up there. I don't care. It's a rental. I'm not going back up there. No. And all my friends said, you're crazy. Don't go back up there. And I was like, oh, well, don't tell me what to do. So I'll go back up there. I want the water to go down. I will not be satisfied. I can't sleep at night. It's bothering me a lot. The gutter, the spout on the gutter that goes down, somebody pushed it up too hard, and now it's like indented. It's just cheap ass aluminum. So like the dip is actually like a bend in the gutter, cupping upward to keep water out. And like, forget that. So I cut the downspout. Like I took a piece of the downspout out and cut it. Oh, I knocked my face off. I am perfectly safe. Anyways, I just had a Red Bull. I need energy to do this. So anyways, I cut a piece of the downspout. I cut about this much off the downspout because like it was way too long and it was pushing the gutter up. So I cut it off and I took the brackets off and I pushed the gutter down and the water runs out onto the neighbor's car. Screw him. Anyways, so I have to dent that part of the gutter where the water falls out down, and then put the downspout back on, and then there's like one of the screwy type hangers, and then two of the old ass style naily hangers. So I need a hammer, and I just need to carry everything back up there, put it together, and then I'll be done. But I'm gonna see if I can find where I put the tripod that I was poking things out the window. I'm going to find it so I can poke the sucker back out the window so you can get one last look at me being nuts. Because this side, for some reason, is scarier. But it's not worse. There's a chimney to grab onto and everything. But I think it's because I have to come up over the roof and not out the window, which I could go out the window, but I don't know. I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to be on the roof. Hi. I'm crazy. As bad as it might look. It's that bad. Let's just stab it in there and see. Tight rope. Ha! Last one. Hi. These are the old style hangers. Just a long nail. It'll work. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Crazy.
Yeah, what's going on up there?
I got a rope.
Is everything okay?
I mean, you know, on the crazy scale, I'd say I'm, you know, maxed out. But other than that,
Okay, alright. Careful up there.
you know, careful's my middle name.
Let's see that.
Oh, okay. I'm not doing that. That's just crazy. For a moment, I considered. I thought about it. And then I'm like, no, not doing it. That's enough hangers. That's enough hangers. Screw that. No. You thought I was gonna do it for a second, didn't you? I thought I was gonna do it too, but no. But that's the gutter. No water going down. All right. Leave a like or subscribe if you couldn't take your eyes away from this insane truck wreck of a video. Thanks for watching on Compassible. Bye-bye.